Have you ever wondered why CEREC will lock the images? Well, our German engineers are very conservative and they don't want anything to get messed up. And usually whenever you go forward in the program or you save the file during the acquisition phase, the models will lock. Basically safety precautions so that nothing gets changed. In another video I talk about why you shouldn't alter the models, but have you ever looked at how you undo the locked images? So we're going to go over that. So usually what you see is a screen like this, and this window says, let me zoom in on this. This window says, the virtual models for this case have already been created, so the image catalogs are protected. If you wish to modify the image catalogs, click the scanner icon at the left to unlock them. All work on the virtual models will be lost. In other words, you're going to change them, so you have to confirm that you're ready to change them. So you hit OK, and then you can do one of two things. You can go in the upper right-hand side where it says unlock, or you can turn the camera on. I typically just go to unlock on the upper right, and then you can change the models around. Another place that will cause it to lock is if you go up to the super secret window that I call it and hit save, then the windows or the models will lock after you hit save. So let me go up here and hit save. When I do that, the model should be locked. So the window comes up again. You can select this little icon or little box where you don't want to read that again. Nobody reads the boxes. You know you don't. That's why I read it to you a minute ago, because nobody ever does it. Everybody just says okay. So I'll hit okay, and then we just go right up here to the upper right-hand side to unlock them. Hey, if you're interested in more videos like this, check out Digital Enamel TV. We have yearly and monthly subscriptions. And don't forget to save your process during CEREC, because you can never save too much. When you're doing multiple anterior units, you'll thank me as you save them along the way, which I've got tons of videos on that as well on DETV. So anyway, everybody, thanks so much for supporting our channel.